Welcome to our lesson on Venn diagrams. Let's explore a past question from the SSSCE in 2005. A group of 50 girls were asked about their favorite colors. They were asked about red, yellow, and green. Illustrate this information using a Venn diagram. Next, find out how many girls did not like any of the three colors. The total number of girls surveyed is 50. 5 girls liked all three colors, red, yellow, and green. 25 girls liked red. 22 girls liked green. 15 girls liked both red and yellow. 12 girls liked both red and green. 4 girls liked only yellow. 2 girls liked only green. Let's find out how many liked red and yellow only. 15 girls liked both red and yellow. 5 girls liked all three colors. To find red and yellow only, subtract the 5 from 15. So, 10 girls liked only red and yellow. Now, let's find out how many liked red and green only. 12 girls liked both red and green. 5 girls liked all three colors. Subtract the 5 from 12 to find red and green only. This means 7 girls liked only red and green. Let's draw the universal set and the 3 overlapping sets. Five girls liked all three colors, so we place 5 in the center. 5 girls liked all three colors, so 5 goes in the middle. Since 15 liked red and yellow all together, and 5 are in the center, red and yellow only is 10. Since 15 liked red and yellow all together, and 5 are already in the middle, red and yellow only is 10. For red and green, 12 liked it all together, and 5 are in the center, so red and green only is 7. Since 12 liked red and green all together, and 5 are already in the middle, red and green only is 7. Two girls liked only green. 2 girls liked only green. For girls liked only yellow. For girls liked only yellow. Next, let's find out how many liked only red. The total number of girls who liked red is 25. We calculate this by subtracting those who liked other combinations. So, 25 minus 7, 5, and 10. This gives us 3 girls who liked only red. Thus, the number of girls who liked only red is 3. So the number who liked only red is 3. Now, let's find out how many liked green and yellow only. The total number of girls who liked green is 22. We subtract those who liked other combinations from this total. So, 22 minus 2, 7, and 5. This gives us 8 girls who liked only green and yellow. Now we have completed the Venn diagram. So the number who liked green and yellow only is 8. The Venn diagram is now fully illustrated. If you're finding this explanation helpful, please subscribe for more math lessons. Let's find out how many girls liked none of the colors. We'll calculate the number of girls who liked at least one color. This is the sum of all the girls who liked any of the colors. This totals to 39 girls. These 39 girls liked at least one of the three colors. These 39 girls liked at least one of the three colors. Now, let's subtract this from the total number of girls. We subtract 39 from 50. This results in 11. So, 11 girls did not like any of the three colors. So 11 girls did not like any of the three colors. The completed Venn diagram has been drawn. The number of girls who did not like any of the three colors is 11. Don't forget to subscribe for more math content.